Welcome. Today we are exploring the concept of OKRs. This is a powerful framework used by Agile organizations worldwide to align their strategy with day-to-day execution. By the end of this video, you will understand exactly what they are and how to use them. First, the definition. OKR stands for Objectives and Key Results. It is a collaborative goal-setting protocol for teams and individuals. It helps you set ambitious goals and, more importantly, track them with measurable results to ensure you are actually making progress. Let us break it down. The O stands for objective. This is the answer to the question, where do we want to go? An objective is qualitative, meaning it does not need numbers yet. It should be ambitious, action-oriented, and bound by a specific timeframe. The KR stands for key results. This answers, how do we know we arrived? Unlike the objective, these must be quantitative. They must contain numbers. They are measurable, outcome-based, and usually you want to limit yourself to 3 to 5 key results per objective. A common question is, how are these different from KPIs? Think of it this way. KPIs, or key performance indicators, track the health of your business, like keeping the engine running. OKRs are about change and growth, like installing a new, faster engine. They are future-oriented and aggressive. Here is an example of a solid OKR. The objective is, delight our customers with a world-class support experience. Notice there are no numbers there. The key results prove we did it. Number 1, increase Net Promoter Score from 45 to 60. Number 2, reduce response time to 30 minutes. These are clear and measurable. OKRs usually work on a quarterly cycle. Step 1 is to set and align your goals at the start. Step 2 is the weekly check-in to monitor progress. Step 3 is grading your results at the end of the quarter. And Step 4 is to reflect on what worked and what did not. Avoid these common traps. Do not list simple tasks or to-do lists as key results. Do not set too many goals or you will lose focus. Instead, focus on outcomes and value. Keep your list short and ensure every key result has a number attached to it. So, why use this framework? It brings 4 massive benefits. It forces you to focus on what matters. It creates alignment across the team. It allows for precise tracking. And it creates transparency because everyone knows what the goals are. Thank you for watching. If you want to drive real change in your organization, start drafting your OKRs today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on Agile business transformation.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.